Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. Now, tonight at 7 o'clock, we're live, so most probably be quite a short video today, but you can ask all the questions tonight. I'm going to be with Claude. The wolf is away, and we can have a look at all the charts and and give you those answers. Should you hold it? Should you buy it? Should you sell it? Well, if we can give you the what we would do on the CTM method. Or the equity story way we trade and invest in this market. This is just general share advice and not personal. So let's get going. Um, I'm very pleased because there's a lot of pressure on the hot stock. Everyone's buying the hot stock and everybody wants to see action. And it's good to see one of those four lithium stocks last week. Obviously, C1X doing very well. I think really up what 35%, doing very well. Um, but technology won, and it absolutely hit it out of the park today. Um, it what you're looking for is these stocks when they deliver more than what the analysts are expecting, and they certainly did that. I won't go into all the numbers, but you know what? When you read through the report, not only was revenue up and profits were up, but what's important was the general outlook from the company was so bullish. I'm sure I know Wolfie has some of this. I think in his fund, and he should be very happy. And now, guess what? The chart's looking even better. So, what do I think? I think it's on the way to just under. Short-term traders can look at somewhere just under that 16. Maybe look take a profit around 15.90. Well, good hot stock, but you know what? You know, this is really one for the long term. I think TNE. And again, when you've got companies talking, it's not just looking good now, but they see. I think the UK was doing really well for them as well, and they see a really long outlook. Well, absolutely superb. Um, Oz Forex again was another company that came out this morning with a right kicker of announcement. Am I buying that? No, it's still under trend. But I'll tell you what, it's on my watch list now. So if it gets over the trend, it starts to move, then I'm in. It's all about taking the easy money, not the hard money. Qantas, again, I thought not a bad announcement. It's slightly down. I'd ignore that. If I was in it, I'd be holding it. I'd play it by the charts. You'll know. I mean, I'm looking to try and get to see my family in Europe, and they're making a lot of money at the moment. Gone are the cheap airfares where you go to Europe in the old days for $1,000. Now you've got to take out another mortgage, and so I think Qantas are doing extremely well at the moment. If I was in that and I like the story and I was in it for div, I'd most probably be holding it. Um, Now I'm going to put a trade out today. Really, I like Tabcorp. I liked it the other week when I had it on Einstein's. I thought, this is looking good, and you know what? It's confirmed it. That breakout's really good. I'll tell you why I like it because I'm a simple folk really. I like the dividend 6.5%, but also what I do like is when the so-called I'll read this to you because it's quite good. So Morgan Stanley have got a 130 target price, and they're saying here, if you forgive me, I'll just read this to you. They are saying, given a potential reset of fees and taxes via the mid 2023 announcement of the Victorian License Award, Morgan Stanley sees meaningful upside to earnings for Tabcorp Holdings should the license be retained. Okay. Even should the retail license be lost and the company operates on a digital basis only, the analyst points out earnings would be no worse than under the current arrangement. The broker also reduces its F25 OPEX forecast to 630 million, consensus 660, with management targeting a reduction in OPEX to 600 to around 600 to 620 million by FY25. Morgan upgrades its ratings to overweight from equal weight and raises its target from 130. Um, so, I like that. Companies like Morgan's, they've most probably followed the story. They most probably got the inside ear to the management. And you know what? Good chart, breaking out, big brokers liking it. I'm in. I'm in for the trade. I've got a stop loss somewhere just under that $1, maybe 99. I'm targeting that 130. I've got a good dividend. I'm happy. Yeah. All right. Dave, sometimes I worry myself. And I think that's all I've got to talk about today, really. Just really just positive. If you're in technology one, congratulations. It looks like hopefully we've done it again on the hot stock. Tabcorp looks like a trade. I'm just going to keep it really simple at the moment. Qantas, if you're in it, you're going to be holding it. Oz Forex, great announcement. Don't buy it just yet. Hold off a little bit. And I look forward to seeing you tonight at 7 o'clock to answer all your questions. All right, on that note, speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.